Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay J, first year cybersecurity. Today I am going to talk about introduction to SMPS. What is SMPS? SMPS is an electronic circuit that converts direct current to alternating current or DC to DC at a desired voltage and current. It offers advantage over a linear power supply. Key component SMPS typically include two rectifier, filter, switching element, a controller and transformer. These components work together to efficiently convert power. Limitation of linear power supplies. Advantage simple, low cost, robust, clean output, low electromagnetic emission. Disadvantage large size and weight due to primarily size of AC step down transformer. Size and weight increase as current rating increase. Challenges how to reduce the size of transformer. Transformer size decrease as frequency increase, but AC mains frequencies normally 50 to 60 Hz fixed. Another disadvantage is lack of flexibility, ability to operate on different supply voltage or frequencies, ability to produce different output voltages. Benefits of SMPS higher efficiency. SMPS operate at higher efficiency rate, reducing energy loss and lowering operating cost. Smaller size. Compact design of SMPS makes it suitable for application where space is limited. Lightweight. SMPS is a lightweight, making it easier to transport and integrate into various systems.